So what is a computer program? Computer program is a collection of instructions that performs a specific task when executed by a computer. Computer requires programs to function. Computer program is usually written by a computer programmer in a programming language. We are using Python as our programming language. So, important thing is a series of instructions. That is an important thing about programs. They are in order. Alright, the computer needs to know exactly what to do in what order. Computer program is made up of statements that fit together with these instructions. Why do we bother to learn to program then? Learn to program is now becoming more and more important, and you can get things like admin jobs where using a computer program can automate the job. Learn to program can also help you automate your own life. So for example, resizing every picture on your computer, that can be done with a computer program that you can write very easily, and it's only a couple of lines of code. Learn to program can also help you find a job in the computer industry where you can be paid very well. And finally, learning to program can help you create something amazing. So what is code? So what we're looking at just now is exactly what I just said before, a computer program that resizes all the pictures in a folder. So it's made up of our instructions and our statements. So the statement you can see is a bit longer than an instruction. An instruction is normally just one line, and normally it's not made up of keywords, as you can see in that example there. Keywords are the blue ones. Introducing Python. So we're going to be using the programming language called Python. So the first thing, to get Python on your computer, what you have to do is click on the Windows Start button down the bottom left. Then you need to find Python 3.7 and open up IDLE, Python 3.7 64-bit. When you've got that, you'll have a screen like on the right hand side. First thing that we need to do is click on File and then New. Okay, when we've got that, it should look like what we've got on the left. This is where we're going to write all of our programs. Our first program. All we're going to do is print the words Hello World. This is normally one of the first programs that computer programmers build when they get started. It's nice and easy. All that we need to do is write the words print, brackets, Hello World. Don't forget the quotes. The reason we put quotes is because this is what is called a string. This is text, all right? If we didn't have the quotes, the computer wouldn't understand what it is. Very important, this is called syntax. If syntax is incorrect, computer doesn't understand it. When we get into Python, remember, new file up at the top. What you want to do, the first thing, just type in print, open your bracket, and this is always a good tip. I would always close the bracket straight after. Then, same goes with quote marks. Put in your quote marks, both of them, then put the text inside. To test it, click Run Module, source must be saved, press OK. Hello World. Just like that. And that's all there is to this program. When you've done it, when you've written that, what I'd like you to do is go up to Run, then Run Module, or you can press F5. It will ask you to save. Make sure to save. Okay, so now you're going to write your own Hello World program and then run it. Then you're going to change your program so that it says hello to the person who is sitting next to you. Remember to save everything before you run it, so that it doesn't just save into a simple Python directory on your computer. Alright, make sure to save it. Okay, when you've done that, we're going to work on the next program. This is going to use the input function. The input function is used to take information from the user, so they would type into the keyboard. Alright, in this case, what we are doing, we are printing the words please insert your name, just as we had with the Hello World. Alright, we've just got a wee bit of text inside our quote marks. Then we are printing hello there, and then we are going to join it or concatenate it onto the input from the user. Note the brackets. After the word input, we've got an opening and closing bracket, and then at the end of the print. Whenever there is an opening bracket, there should always be a closing bracket. Next program, very easy to do. Again, print, and remember the quotes. Please insert your name, close the brackets, print, hello, there. Now close the quote, put a comma, okay. Now we're going to use the word input, open, close brackets, close the print bracket. All right, did you notice the way it changed color? Okay, so when we put the bracket in, it goes gray. It joins the brackets. It shows us, for instance, if I do it with the input one again, it shows us that that is the range of those brackets. Again, run it, save it. Please insert your name, Mr. Balfour. Hit the enter key. Hello there, Mr. Balfour. Nice and easy. And that's all there is to that program.